Welcome back to episode 2 of Why Would You Wednesdays, where we show you things that we bring on a cruise that will make other people say, why would you bring that?
Why would you? Howdy, y'all.
On today's episode, we're showing you something that costs only a few dollars and takes up a little bit of space and will completely change your cruise cabin.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow, no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.
Welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, I'm Mitch from the Cam Fam, and this is Why Would You Wednesday. Every Wednesday at 12:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, we're bringing to you an item we bring on the cruise that others might say,
Why would ya?
why would you bring that? So today's item doesn't cost much, doesn't take up much space. It's magnets. Many people don't realize cruise cabins are magnetic. So that means save yourself space in the room. So we bring all different types of magnets. So one of the magnets we bring is clip magnets. This is great for hanging up the fun times on your wall, hanging up the card for your room steward so you can reach them whenever you need to. We also bring multiple different sized magnets. We have small ones. One recommendation the Cam Fam always does is we put this right next to our door. So when we come in, all our lanyards are hanging right by the door. First thing we drop off, last thing we pick up when we leave a cabin. We have different size ones. We have big ones. We have small ones. We bring all sorts of them. It works to hang hats. It works to hang numerous things around your room and keep the clutter off. So magnets is something that's on the Cam Fam's permanent packing list. We want to hear your thoughts. Let us know in the comments, is magnet something you bring on a cruise? Or is magnet something you think,
Why would ya?
why would you bring that? Let us know. Thanks for watching. And again, check us out every Wednesday for a new episode of Why Would You Wednesdays Cruise Packing Tips. 12:34, guys. Easy to remember. 12:34 Central Standard Time. Don't forget to hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And we'll see you next Wednesday.
Why would ya? Bye.